Hello mga palangga! Welcome back to my channel. This is Talk to Julia. If you're watching this video right now, thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit and smash the notification bell for more updates. Let's begin. What's eating you? What's eating you? Have you heard about this expression? When someone says, "What's eating you?" they're asking about what really bothers you or what's bothering you. It is also consuming your thoughts, time, and energy. It makes you depressed and sometimes you suffer from it. Again, it is used to ask a person or someone what's bothering him, her, or them. What's eating you? For instance, in this kind of scenario like, "Hey, Rena, you seem different today. What's eating you, my friend?" You could answer, "I'm thinking about my test result." So someone is really worried about something. Here's another example. "Hannah, you look upset today. What's eating you?" It's about my boyfriend. In this scenario, we might think that Hannah has a problem with her boyfriend or in her relationship. I hope you learned something for today. That would be all, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.